Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles on ground ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can ensure that you are the first to know when we get a new arrival just like this Cadillac right in front of us on our lot. Hit that like button, throw a comment down below. Also, if you'd like to see any of the still pictures or a full description of this specific unit or anything else we have on our lot, please visit sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're going to show you a really nice 2015 Cadillac Escalade with just at 60,000 miles on it. On the front, you're going to notice the really nice upgraded chrome grille. Along with right under that, you do have your front monitoring systems as far as when you're parallel parking. It'll notify you when you're getting close to the car in front of you. 20-inch factory Cadillac Escalade rims. I would say the tread depth is 65%, maybe 70%, so very good tread left up on there. Factory running board. I don't see any scratches, any dents, any dings on the driver's side at all. Looks to be in what I would say very good condition. On the rear of the vehicle, you are going to have your backup camera located right above your license plate bracket. And you are also on the back bumper of this going to have your rear backup sensors for when you're backing up into the tight areas. Inside this cover right here is your trailer hitch. So you do have your trailer hitch and it is hidden, which is a really nice feature. It does have your wiring pin hookups in there also. On the passenger side of the vehicle, it looks to be the same as the driver's side and the rear. I don't see any major dents, any scratches, nothing that I could see to point out. Seems to be in very good condition. This vehicle does have the V8 motor in it, so it's capable of pulling whatever it is you're looking to pull and still get that really good fuel economy on the highway for a all-wheel drive Cadillac Escalade. Many goodies inside of this on this particular unit. It does have your power mirrors, power windows, and also power locks, standard features, automatic overhead headlights, and then your knob for two-wheel drive, automatic four-wheel drive, and four-wheel drive high. On the steering wheel, you do have several gauges located up in here. One is for your RPMs, and then how fast you're going, your miles per hour, and then your fuel gauge is located on the right. Inside of them gauges, there's numerous different selections you can make to put other options in the center. For example, on the center where your miles per hour is, you can change it as I'm doing now. Now on the center is a navigation screen, back to miles per hour. There's a multitude of different things you can do in each individual circle, which is a really nice feature. This particular unit does have heads-up display. You may not be able to see it, but you can actually see how fast you're going, and it's built right into the front windshield. Another really nice feature. On the right-hand side, you're gonna have all your selections for your cruise control. You're gonna have selections for your radio, turn your volume up, change your channel. So there's a magnitude of different things you can do with this steering wheel. Very nice touchscreen radio. It does have AM, FM, and also XM radio capability. Like I said, it does have navigation, standard from Cadillac. And then it also has your climate control settings where you do have dual climate controls. It also does have an auto feature where you can set it on a certain temperature, and it'll keep you that temperature inside the cab. Right under that, you're gonna have all your controls to operate your AC and heat. So not only can you do it in the screen, you can do it right under here, along with your volume for your radio. This particular unit does have heated seats. Very nice feature. And it looks to also have ventilated seats also. So not only heated, it does have ventilated seats, which is basically an air-conditioned seat. CD player. Plenty of cubby holes for storage. Cup holders, and also a console under your armrest for all your little knickknacks. This particular unit does have a power sunroof, another really nice feature. It It also has what we call the home link system. So you can now program your garage door opener directly into one of them buttons, and you no longer have to carry your garage door opener around. Another great feature. Factory Escalade rubber floor mats throughout. This vehicle is a push button start, so you can leave your key in your pocket. That's another nice feature. Captain's chairs in the rear with rear DVD behind the driver's seat and also the front passenger seat. So you do have dual screens, another really nice feature. And the inside of this vehicle, it looks to be in what I would consider excellent shape. I don't see any tears on the seats, no stains on the carpets. Looks to be in very, very good condition. Also on your captain's chairs, it does have the tether hooks for your car seats. So therefore, if you do have a car seat, you can safely attach it to this vehicle, and you can assure that it'll be tight. Power rear tailgate. A little bit of storage right here, with storage built in right under that. This does have a power fold down when it comes to the rear seats. As you can see there, simply pushing the buttons right where I'm at, you can lay your seats flat, and you can also lay your captain's chairs flat by a push of a button too. That's another really nice feature. So there is many features in this Cadillac Escalade. Like I said, it does have a power rear tailgate, sunroof, navigation, power everything. It's got all the best bell and whistles on it. Just over 60,000 miles on it. Seems to be in very, very good condition as far as a used vehicle goes. It is a really nice red in color. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you're fully aware of all of our new inventory as soon as it arrives at the dealership. If you want to look at still pictures of the specific unit and you're on YouTube, please visit sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.